By doing yoga, we can observe how our body is working.
The reason why I came to Rishikesh to do yoga is because it is the birthplace of yoga.
I heard about Rishikesh because here in Rishikesh there are many teacher training courses here that you can do.
Came to go deeper into yoga, to get into my body and get into deeper experience of life.
Yoga is very traditional practices where the yoga rishis and munis doing practice to cure, to energize the mind, body and soul as well. So by practicing yoga, you can cure any type of disease, any pain, any injuries that you can want to cure. You can, by practicing yoga, you can cure. In yoga, there is a sat karmas and purification methods like how to clean which is inside the body. Now slowly join your palms to your heart center in Pranamasana. Namaskar. Hello everyone, Namaste. My name is Azad Bhatt and I conduct pranayama, mantra chanting, and asana and postural alignment and adjustment, how we modify or how we adjust the posture. And other two fingers on your root of the nose. So this is for the concentration. So do not rest your fingers on your root of the nose. By doing yoga, we can observe how our body is working, how much you can treat our body, how much we can discipline ourselves. So yoga means unite or union of mind, body and breath. So when you're doing yoga, so these three elements like mind, body and breath, if you'll be present, you can feel what is happening and what you are doing actually. So by doing satkarma, you can clean your impurities which is inside the body. So no need to take anything other medicine or something treatment. So by doing yoga, you can fully cure or energize yourself. So there's a different asanas, if someone's suffering from back pain, there's a particular asana that you have to practice. And there is also the cautions, posture cautions, who should not practice, those who are suffering from this. So you should know about how to practice, which pose we have to choose in certain disease. So if you know about which posture we should practice, then you can cure yourself. Pranayama is more effective than asana. So prana is a life force. So life force, and ayama is to hold or extend. So by extending the prana, you can extend your life by controlling prana. That's why the pranayama is more important, more effective than asana. If you don't know about what posture and what pranayama, what satkarmas we should practice, so you should go to the experienced yoga teacher or any experienced guidance that you can practice. So beginners, you should first need guidance, how to practice. So there is a yoga, there is a posture. If you don't know about the posture alignment and then you're practicing, so maybe you harm yourself because the posture, your alignment is not correctly. Maybe the pressure is moving to the other way that we don't have to pressure. So better to first practice 1 month course, 200 hour. If you practice 200 hour course, we explain everything about posture, alignment, modification and adjustment. So better to practice first in guidance, then you can do your self practice. and anyone can practice yoga.
Namaste, I'm Daljit, I'm from the UK. The reason why I came to Rishikesh to do yoga was because it is the birthplace of yoga. I came here last year, and given my amazing experience, I wanted to come back again to do some further teacher training. For me, yoga is an opportunity to allow yourself an opportunity to create a platform where you can divert your attention inwards and free yourself from the distractions of the outside world. Being able to practice yoga in Rishikesh truly is a gift. This school is amazing, and I look forward to taking the practices and the knowledge that I have learnt from here to share with my students in the UK.
I heard about yoga in Rishikesh because I come from Italy, and so I heard about Rishikesh because here in Rishikesh there are many teacher training courses here that you can do. And I heard about it because in the beginning I wanted to participate in one of these yoga teacher training.
So Rishikesh is, is the world capital of yoga. So in Rishikesh there is a lot of schools here, and so they are also teaching yoga about philosophy, anatomy, and pranayama, asana. So there's a world capital of yoga. That's why there are lots of schools. Even every person knows about yoga, how to practice. So there's a very spiritual place. There is a very calm. There is a Ganga here outside. You go walk to the Ganges bank of the river, and you can do meditation.
My name is Gino from USA. Came to go deeper into yoga, to get into my body and get into deeper experience of life. I found this place just random. I didn't know anybody in Rishikesh, so I just sort of was blind coming in, but so far great facilities and feeling good. I more came for myself rather than to become like a teacher, but if I can share what I learned, that would be great too.
Here it comes like different countries, not only from one, like USA, Singapore, Vietnam, Austria, Poland, Spain. So different countries, they come and enjoy the yoga journey.
My name is Lucia. I'm from Africa, specifically in Kenya. I just landed in Rishikesh. I've been in India for some time, but I decided to come to Rishikesh because I wanted to experience the beauty of yoga. My experience has been beautiful. I've been in India, so most of my friends referred me to this place for meditation, to come find self-healing, to come meditate and all, and I decided to take that step and come here.
In yoga retreat, sometimes we go out for yoga session to practice like pranayama and a yoga asana to energize the body and feel the nature.
My name is Veronica. I'm from Argentina, and I'm living in Spain. I study yoga. I practice Iyengar yoga. That is why I know about Rishikesh, because my teacher all told us about this magical city with a lot of yoga and one amazing teacher of Iyengar yoga.
If you are interested to do yoga, so it's the best opportunity, because our Purva Janma, like past life, if we do like something good, that's why you want to do like yoga, you want to learn something which is good for you and good for also others. So this is the best decision for you to do yoga. Join and keep practicing yoga every day, and explain, also teach others like how they can cure or how they can practice yoga.